Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the keyboard type because how you remove number keys depends on their construction. Once identified, power off the device and disconnect power to avoid damage. Next, assemble tools. A keycap puller for mechanicals, a thin flat pry for membranes, tweezers for stabilizers, and a small container for screws if you must open the case. Begin with the number row 1 through 0, gently hooking the puller under the cap and lifting straight up to release the stem without twisting. Once you have the first keys off, continue methodically across the row to avoid losing parts. For keys with stabilizers, like 0 or minus, depress the stabilizer clip while easing the cap off. This prevents bending metal bars. Make sure to photograph the layout so you can restore correct orientation. Place springs, clips, and foam inserts in separate labeled compartments. If a cap is stubborn, recheck under it for hidden clips rather than forcefully prying, which can break the stem. To finish, either leave the number keys out, reinstall them, or disable them electronically by disconnecting the numeric row ribbon on integrated keyboards. Make sure you documented ribbon clips earlier. When reinstalling, align stems with the switch and press straight down until you hear a click. Check stabilizers are seated to avoid wobble. If a key is unresponsive or sticks after reassembly, clean the stem and switch area with isopropyl on a swab. Let dry. Then test. If problems persist, consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.